What to do during a DUI arrest. I'm Kris Jensen of Jensen Legal. I've handled criminal defense cases including DUI cases over the last 20 years. A person will ask me what to do during a DUI arrest. The answer is usually pretty simple, full of a lot of complexity. A DUI arrest can typically happen on the highway and will be the product of a speeding violation or crossing the lines without signaling, or it can be part of a bad traffic accident. The police officer that encounters you will be looking for signs of intoxication and asking you certain questions. The only thing that you're required to do when the police officer approaches you is produce your driver's license, your registration, and your proof of insurance. You don't have to answer a whole array of questions. The police will oftentimes ask you to submit to what we call the field sobriety tests, which are agility tests that determine what type of physical abilities you do or don't have at that time. They can include the touching your nose with your finger, the alphabet test, or walking the line. You simply don't have to do these tests, and you can politely refuse to do them at the time. Under the implied consent laws of the state of Washington, if a police officer has probable cause to suspect that your driving was affected by the alcohol consumption, you can be required to take a breath test. Typically that's at a mobile command post or down at the police station. If you don't take the test, your license can be suspended for a year. So typically, any good DUI attorney will tell you to take the test and not answer other questions. Other questions may include interview questions such as, where have you been? How long have you been there? How many drinks have you had? Have you had any medications? Do you have any physical disabilities? Again, you don't have to answer any of these questions. You can calmly and politely assert your Fifth Amendment to remain silent. After you're done with the whole police encounter and the arrest procedures, you should contact a good attorney. Thank you.